Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your desktop or how you can screen record using VLC Media Player. So what you need to do is just open your VLC Media Player and then click on the media option here and then click on this option which says Open Capture Device, and then here you need to just click on this scroll bar and choose desktop here. So capture mode is desktop. Now in the options section you can set the frame rate for your video capture. Generally I set it to 10 to 15. It's enough for the video capture. So just choose any value for your frame rate. I have chosen 10 here. You can choose any other value, and then you just need to click on this arrow button and then click on the convert button here. So once you click on the convert button, you will see this kind of window. Now in this convert setting option, you can choose any settings from here. So the best setting I found out for the video capture is the MP4 setting. So I'm going to choose this setting which says video for MPEG 1080p TV/device. So just choose this option. I have chosen this option. You can play with any other profile options from here, and then you just need to choose the destination where you want to save your recording. So I'm going to just click on the browse option, and then I'm going to go to the videos, and then here I can choose any name to my video recording. So let's say I'm going to just say record 1 as the name of my video recording, and then I'm going to just save this file. Okay, so your video recording will be saved on this location, and then whatever name you have chosen for your video file, that video will be saved in that file. Okay, so once you have chosen all those settings, just click on start button, and once you click on the start button, you will see this timer will start here. This means that this many number of seconds the screen recording is working for these many number of seconds. Okay, so you can just do your screen recording. Let's say I'm going to just go to the window option here and then click on the settings here. I will just demonstrate some settings from here, and once I'm finished I can go to the VLC Media Player. You can see my recording has been running for almost 40 seconds now, so I can stop it now. So I can just click on this button which says stop playback. So once you click on the stop playback, your screen recording will stop, and once your screen recording will stop, you can just go to the location where you have saved your recording. So I have saved my recording here. I can just open this recording using any player, and you can see my screen recording is now playing here. So let's see if it has recorded all the things which I have done during this screen recording. So you can see I went to the settings menu here, and then I have scrolled this options for apps and features. So the screen recording is done successfully, and it has recorded all my actions which I wanted to record. So this is how you can record your screen on your VLC Media Player. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.